Heavy rain? Intense snow? Severe heat? All of it working to wreck your lawn every single year. Stop letting nature dictate your lawn survival. Fight back the way humanity knows how. Technology. Introducing Turf Titan Lawn Advancer. Science-backed technology working together to keep your lawn living and lush. Now your lawn isn't the talk of the town for just part of the year. With Lawn Advancer, your lawn will dominate year-round. With an all-natural formula proven on millions of lawns prior to yours, Lawn Advancer uses microbiology technology to balance nutrient levels and create robust immune systems on your lawn. In order to green your grass up quicker, this triple-action fertilizer includes ingredients essential to life, including nitrogen, creating a power-packed blend with the power and purpose to fortify your grass, protecting it against harmful heat stress, and bouncing any lawn back from the brink of stress and struggle. Simple to use in any environment, Lawn Advancer can save any lawn in any climate from any condition. Stop losing the battle to nature. With Lawn Advancer on your side, fight back. Turf Titan, may the best lawn win.